So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a zip file in Windows 10, guys, and you don't even need any other external software. Everything is inbuilt. It comes inbuilt with your Windows. Okay, you can even do this in your Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 7. So all you do is you want to highlight all of the files that you want to create a zip file of. Okay, so highlight all of them. So I want to create a zip file using all this, and then what you want to do is right click. Then you're going to see a drop down menu. Okay, you're going to see a bunch of different options. You want to come down here to send to. Okay, here in send to you can see this option, compressed zipped folder. Just click on this and you can name it anything, guys. Okay, hold on. How to check your PC specifications cannot be compressed. Okay, it compressed everything except that one. How to? Okay, so it's because of the file name. I'm going to fix that really quickly. Where is that file gone? All right, one moment. I will show you. This is a good thing because now I can show you what to do when such situations happen. So I'm just going to rename this and I'm going to remove this. Okay, now I'm going to do this again. Right click, right click, send to the zipped folder. Check this out, guys. It is starting to zip all of these files into one folder, guys. Check this out, guys. Okay, it's almost done. And now we're soon going to have a zip folder. Look at it, guys. It's almost done, and we have a zip folder right here. It's almost going to finish right now. And we can use the zip folder. It basically just compressed everything into one folder. We can send it to someone on email. We can upload it somewhere as one file. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below if your thoughts and if this actually helped you. And make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure to subscribe.